In today's episode, a friend of mine is going to show you guys how to make a chulah or a fireside. Now, she's going to start with dry clay, and the clay is hard, so she'll need to soften it. So she's adding water to help soften the clay. When the clay is soft and pliable, you're going to take the clay and form it into a U shape. So she's putting small amounts down until she actually builds that U shape. Once you have that U shape, you're going to continue building this and smoothing it out. Now, if you're wondering if you can use another material besides clay, honestly, clay is the best material for this. Now, when you finish making that U shape, you need to make 3 points. One on the base of the U and one on either ends of the U. And that's what's going to hold your pot into place. So that's what she's doing right now. You put the points, or you make the points, and you have to have a little sink or a little indentation, and you would curve it so that it swoops upward to make the U. And you use your fingers or your hands to help smoothen it out so that it's nice and smooth. When you have the 3 points, as you can see, one on the top and one on either ends, you're going to continue smoothing out your fireside. You want to make sure that it's nice and smooth. So guys, this is what the fireside would look like when it's finished. All you have to do is take a wet cloth and smoothen it out and clean up the area around it, like the excess mud that's on the foil. You just want to clean that out. You always want to make sure that you're doing things nice and clean and neat. So guys, my friend is cleaning out the excess dirt that's in and around the fireside. This is on a heat resistant surface, so we do not need that extra mud in and outside of the fireside. Once it's cleaned, you'll need to put this out into the sun and allow it to dry. If you want, you can bake it. If you have a oven that you do pottery in, you can bake the fireside. So once this is firm and hardened, we'll go ahead and I'll show you guys, or she'll show you guys, how to do a recipe or how to cook on this fireside. So if you guys enjoyed today's DIY video, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure and check out my DIY video on how to make a homemade puchara, which is the utensil used to oil a roti. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys another day with another one of my DIY videos. Bye.